You're a bot, I'm a bot, we're all bots, yeah! It's so hard being a celebrity these days with over 100 subs on YouTube. First off, before we get started with the video, I want to thank you so much for 100 subs. That's insane, and I appreciate the support. Me passing that 100 sub mark, though, is actually what sparked me to want to do this video. I am part of some groups, some YouTuber groups, and a lot of them are talking about not hitting 100 subs until a year after they start YouTube, 2 years after they start YouTube. And I was like, hold up. How come I can do it in literally, I think I did it in 11 days, and it takes them 2 years to get 100 subs? What am I doing right that they could be doing to help grow their channel? And so that is where we will get started.
A few moments later.
The first thing that I did to get to 100 subscribers in under 2 weeks is that I live stream, a lot. My link is on the screen and down below. Please check it out. Because of this, I was really able to connect with my audience and get people to subscribe. When you're having a good conversation with someone, you can just be like, hey, we're having a good conversation. Do you mind subscribing to my YouTube channel? When you ask someone directly when you're live streaming, they are definitely more likely to subscribe to that YouTube channel. YouTube has live streaming. I specifically use Twitch, but this strategy will work on basically any live streaming, Facebook gaming, anything like that. The next thing I did is I told my family and friends about my YouTube channel. Now, I know not everyone might be comfortable with this. Maybe they have something that's more private that they'd much rather share with the internet than their friends and family. I get that. But it definitely helped me gain at least 10 subscribers just by being like, hey, friends and family, made a YouTube channel, check it out. And usually they're really encouraging. They'll like and comment on your video, which helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you want me to make a video about the YouTube algorithm, please comment below. I was a marketing major in undergrad. I know a thing or two about it. The next thing I did is I joined a couple Facebook groups. It doesn't matter what your topic on YouTube is, there's a Facebook group for that. Gaming is my niche, and there are groups for Overwatch, which is one of my main games. Among Us, which is another game that I like to play. There are Facebook groups for YouTubers, small YouTubers, women on YouTube. There are so many different Facebook groups out there where you can kind of conversate with people and don't self-promote like crazy. That is definitely not the strat here, but you're able to interact with people, and if you're having, again, good conversations with them, you can be like, hey, I have this YouTube channel, we can check it out. Or maybe like you're having a conversation. I was on my Among Us Facebook group the other day, and this person was like, I posted like picture of an Among Us meme, and they were like, oh, I really want to play Among Us, but I haven't tried it yet. I actually have a YouTube video called How to Play Among Us, so I just linked them my YouTube channel. And that's just an easy way to like promote your YouTube channel without being like, sub to my YouTube or else. Especially in a couple of these YouTuber groups I'm in, what people will do is they'll post 2 thumbnails and they'll be like, hey, do you like thumbnail A better or thumbnail B? And people will give them their feedback, and that will be the thumbnail that they use, and that will lead into more clicks and subscribers for you. Another thing that really helped me get to that first 100 subscribers is that we all have multiple social media accounts. We have Twitter, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, we have TikTok, we have Twitch. There are so many different social media platforms on there, and I'm not saying that you're on all of them, but you all are probably on at least one of those platforms. And what I do with all my content is that I will feed all my content into each other. So what do I mean by that? So when I'm on my Twitch channel, I'm like, hey, check out my YouTube. I'll get a couple subscribers from doing that. I go into my Twitter and I'm like, hey, I have this new YouTube video. I gain a couple of views and subscribers from that. Facebook, IG, wherever I have a platform, I link information to my Twitch in my bio, or I'll make a post about it, and that all feeds in to my YouTube channel and helped me get a pretty good amount of views initially and get to that 100 subscriber mark in under 2 weeks. The other thing that I've been doing more recently than I did when I first started with my 100 subscribers, but it will help you get to 100 subscribers if you're really struggling growing, is I make searchable YouTube content. So what does that mean? There are certain topics out there in your niche that people are always looking up. So in gaming, a lot of people are always looking looking up how to play a certain game. So I made a YouTube video, how to play Among Us, and that is ranking in search, what drives views into my channel, which helps drive subscribers. So if you're ever thinking about content and what you should make, you should look in your niche what people are searching for and make content about that, because that will lead to views and lead to subscribers. And you might be asking, how do I figure out what is searchable content? What is people looking for? There's this thing called TubeBuddy. I can do a video about it if you want. Comment down below if you don't know what that is. But it's a really great analytical tool to kind of see what topics are good searchable topics and what topics aren't as searchable. I hope this video helped you. I want to thank everyone again for helping me get over 100 subscribers. I really love YouTube. It's been a really great platform to be on. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video and turn on the bell to get notified as soon as my videos go live. And I hope this was helpful to you. If there's any other questions you have about the topic, feel free to comment down below. Have a great day and peace.